But since I created the jet business and this showroom concept, which is about 11 years ago, we're now about 50% representing buyers and 50% representing sellers because of what we do here. We really educate our clients so much that, I don't really care what you buy. I want to educate you so much. You have the information and the intelligence now to decide why you want this model of an aircraft, rather than say, "Oh, Steve told me I should buy this plane." That's not a good reason. Yeah. So we've really sort of evolved and have become 50-50 on representing buyers or sellers.